My name is Eduardo Almeida. I am 46 years old. I'm a football coach since I was around 22 years old. So more than 20 years I work in this job. I already work in many countries and this is my passion. And of course I'm always focused in improve and be a better coach every day. I already few years in Asia. I like to work in Asia, so I have the offer from that time in Semen Padang. I know it was a club with a very historical club with already win the league and cups. So I know it was a good team, a big team, and I know no have any doubt in join the team and try to do my best in that time. Actually, when we come, I remember we has, I think, it's around 7 points and finished the first round. And so we know that it's a difficult job and very hard, but I accept the job because, of course, we have to have challenges, and I like challenges, so I don't have any problem in get the challenge. We, in that time, I think we do our best. We make 21 points in second half. I remember in that time, if no only have the second round, we for sure stay in the middle of the table, but the football is not that like that because I have the first round before. But in the end of the day, I think was this is we make a good points, we make a good performance in second round, and to be honest, I never expect then after what happened, the people was so nice and so fair. Not only what happened in the end, but what happened during the second round. Yeah, it was in that time straight away we talk for renew contract. I say straight away yes, because I know we can back again to the League One. In that time, we make a hard job to find the team. But unfortunately, we make one game, and after the COVID come and cancel all the league, and we cannot do nothing against that. But in that time, of course, when we agreed to stay, the target was back very fast to League One, but the COVID not allow it. Yes, it's a decision. That a decision that I understand and respect. For have space also for the local coach work and can improve the football also and everything. So I have to accept. Of course, it's not a situation normal in other countries, but of course it's issues of the PSSI, and we have to respect. So in that time I cannot come back to Padang because that, and I have to go to another team. Yes, it's normal. When I come, people was like, it's last time the team not performance good, but it's different because this is Arema, and I know that people never believe what I can do or that we can do because I know work alone. But after the things not start the best way, the three first games was not the results that also we expect. But after that we become 23 games without lose, still a record in the league, and we finish in the best position of Arema in the last years. And in the next year we become Piala President champions, and I think I show them what really we can do it. I'm here already in 3 years. I always not only see the League One, but always I see League Two. In this moment, I think actually almost all the players of the League One, I know them, or because I play against them, or because they are my players before. So the experience of knowledge the other teams and the other players is already too much, because the reality is now have many players. This year have more foreigners who come, but it's different. It's same to me to another coach, because don't know who come the foreigner players almost. But the locals, I have acknowledged of them. Of course, we have acknowledged of the quality of the other teams, the reality of the other teams, the reality of Indonesian football. It's already 3 years or 4 years in Indonesia, so I can consider that I'm a quite experienced coach in this league. Yes, true. It's like I say, we used to stay together in 2020, but unfortunately COVID not allow it. So make me always follow Padang because was a team who have a lot of respect, that bring me to Indonesia, that always have good relationship with everyone. So for me, always I see Padang with the idea that sooner or later we'll be back in League One, and I always push and was always a fan of Padang to become again to League One. So I was almost like a supporter in when Padang was in League Two, almost watch all the games, and I think also I visited team one time last season, because it's like that. The people is nice, the respect I have to the supporters is too much, so always, even when I was in another teams, I support Semen Padang. Of course, also because if maybe was in League One, I cannot be a supporter because is in the same league, but in League Two is more easy to support and want the best for the team, of course. Yeah, I not come in the beginning of the season. In that time, of course, the management take other decision, and I always respect the decision of everyone. So I cannot join the team in the beginning, but and after I always see the league in stays watching the league in when I was in Portugal, because I know maybe one day I can come back. I don't know if it was Padang or another team. It's true, some other teams also contact me in the not too long after the league start, of course. But when Padang have the communication, when we have the communication, because this I know we never know is challenger again. It's gonna be hard. We have to work very hard to start to make a better performance. But of course, since Padang talked to me, I almost say yes in the same moment, because it's like I say, we was to not separate before, so was very happy to can join Padang again. Yeah, we have to analyze is what we are doing already. We have to analyze what was the mistakes or the problems of the team, try to understand them, try to fix them. Of course, this is not something that we can do like magician. We have to understand every details, every problems, every situations, and we have to find the way to return to the good performance, the way to return to the winning. Of course, for me, I want to win the next game. I want to win every game. So I don't like to lose. So for my side and the side of the staff and everyone and players, I believe everyone want to win the most fast as possible. But of course, the things not change from one to another day. We have to fix the problems of the team, and we have to work hard to become better. But I hope soon as possible we can do it. So we have not only to think in this game, but we have to think that we have a lot of games until the end. And what we have to do is a good preparation and a good work for improving the team, because it's not in 1 week or in 2 weeks. 2 weeks is better, 3 weeks even better, but it's not in 1 week or 1 day or 2 days that we can change everything. We have to to understand and understand the characteristics of the players, understand how we can put the team working, how we find the best solution for every players have the best performance and the team has the best performance. And this of course is work every day in the training and understand in the game what is the situations. When the teams no win, it's normal that people no have confidence. But it's important to understand, yeah, have some things that are not good, but so also have some things that are positive. We have to understand and see what is positive and believe that we can change what is negative. And we have to trust each other. And the confidence is something also that we cannot buy. It's something that is from ourselves. So the players, I understand, but they have to understand sooner or later we will win, and we have to believe that. We have to be confident for that. We cannot, okay, lose. It's normal, the confidence to go down, but ourselves have to be confident. Everyone have to believe that it's possible. Because if only one or two believe, it's difficult. Everyone have to win confidence in the training, in the games. And of course, the best thing for a team win confidence is a winning. We can talk a lot, but what brings many times the confidence is the winning. Even if we win with not a good game, but with a little of luck, we don't care. It's not matter. The important is we arrive to the winning, and the winning brings confidence for sure. The message for supporters is they are all welcome, of course. If they come, will be very good for us. I hope they support the players. They push the players to do the good things. Make them believe, make them trust. Support in a positive way. Because if the players are a little without the confidence, if in the first minutes start to put them down, is not good. I think it's important we make a positive supporters, a positive things for the players understand that, okay, they are pushing us, let's work and more hard for give them the win. I think the players they want this. I believe they want this. They also want to win, supporters want to win, and the coach want to win. So a positive support. What the media say, I understand. All the supporters and everyone want to win. I understand totally. But of course, it not happen yet. Let's fight for happen soon, like I say, as soon as possible. But still have always to push. If you say now the player A or B or C not good but this is not change nothing now. We have to. This is the players we have, and these are the best players we have in the moment. And so is these players we go fighting every games. So let's support this. It's not say that they are good or no good. No, will change nothing. Let's work hard to together, and everyone together in the same boat, but for improve the performance of the players, improve the performance of the team, and fight every game for the winning. One thing I can promise, whatever is the players who play in the 11 or in substitute, for me, everybody knows that they have to fight until the end. Whatever is the result, whatever is the quality of the game, whatever is the quality of the player, this team have to fight all the games. And this is what we're gonna do. I hope all the supporters come to supporters. Thank you to all the supporters. Let's play, let's fight to win. Terima kasih, Semen Padang, luar biasa.